Look at this video.
I am Iron Man.
You may be shocked when Elon Musk becomes Iron Man. You may see these kinds of videos of celebrities doing unusual tasks on the internet. And maximum time these are not real. All of them are created by AI with deepfake technology. Deepfake is a digitally created or altered video or audio recording that appears strikingly realistic, often depicting individuals saying or doing things they never actually did. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 3 deepfake video tools. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. Our first tool is ᴑᴜ Deepfake. ᴑᴜ is the hub of AI tools. Here you can swap faces in videos or images, create realistic AI avatars, generate text to images, and change image or video background. Today I will try the deepfake tools only. Come to the Tool tab from here and then select Face Swap. To use this tool first, you need to create an account. Click on the Login button from here. Now create an account with your Google or email account. After creating the account you will get 50 free credits every day. If you want to buy additional credits, then you can buy it from here. Alright, let's move forward to creating a deepfake video. First, you need to upload the target video. You can drag and drop the video clips here or click here to upload the video. I will upload this video. Just drag and drop the video. It will take some time to analyze the video clips. Once it is completed, you can see the preview here. Now come to the right side. Here you can see this tool detected face in 4 angles. Your result might be different from mine, depending on how much motion your video has. Okay, now we have to upload the source image. You can use a sample image from here. I will use this image. After uploading your source image, just drag and drop the image in every face detection block. After all is done, scroll down and hit the high-quality face swap button from here. And AI has started its work. You can click on the result button from here to see the result. It will take some time. Let's come back after a few times. And here it is. You can see the result. Now if you want to download the swapped video, click on Download from here. We can improve the quality more. To do this, come back to the face swap page and then insert the source image into the face detection boxes like before. Then scroll down and first click on the face enhancement checkbox and then hit the high quality face swap. And here is the result. Alright friends, this was our first deepfake tool. Let's move forward to the second tool. Tool number 2. Reface AI. Reface AI is another AI tool hub. There are some incredible AI tools available here. You can swap faces, restyle images and videos, animated images with Reface AI. To start your deepfake journey with Reface AI, select the Swap Faces tool from here. Now we have to create an account. To do this, click on Sign In from here. Now create an account with your Google or Facebook account. After creating an account, click on Add Photo or Video from here. Now you can upload your target video by drag and drop here. I will add the same video used in the first tool. After uploading the target video, come to the right side. Click on the Add Face. Now upload the source image here. I will upload the same image. After that, you can click on Swap Faces to start the process. You will get 5 free credits upon creating a new account, and 1 face swap will cost 1 credit, which means you can create deepfake 5 times for free. Okay, click on Swap Faces to start the process. It may take some time. And here it is. You can see the result. Let's see the before and after results. That's pretty nice. Now let's try the third tool. Tool number 3. ᴑᴜ. It's the best deepfake tool I ever used, and yes, it's completely free. You need to use it with Google Colab Notebook. After coming to the Colab Notebook, hit on the Connect button from here. After establishing the connection, come to ᴠᴜᴜ and install dependencies and hit the run button to start the process. It will take some time. At this time we will upload our targeted video and source image to this notebook. To do this, click on the directory icon from here. Now click on the upload icon from here. Now an important part. This AI tool won't work if our file name contains any space or special character. So, we have to rename the files. After renaming the files, upload them on the Google Colab notebook. Alright, ᴠᴜᴜ and install dependencies are completed. Now come to the second step. Hit the run button of the download model. It will take around 2 minutes to complete. Now come to the DeepFake option. In this step, we need to do some customization. We have to change the target video and the source image file path. To do this, come to the directory panel and select one of the targeted video files. Click on the three-dot menu and select the copy path. After that, come to the code panel and select the target file path, then paste our target video path by hitting Ctrl+V. After that, we have to change the source image path. Again, go to the directory panel and copy the path of our source image and then paste it on the code panel source image path. After all is set, hit the run button of the DeepFake. Now you have to wait some time. After completing the process, refresh the directory panel. You will find a new file named swaped.mp4. Download the file on your device by clicking on the three-dot menu and then selecting download. Alright, our deepfake video has been downloaded. Let's play the video. That's really amazing. Now I will play all the clips with the original one. You have to do just one thing: comment about the best one. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating deepfake video with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!